see how to get rid of drafts, how to open a frozen lock, and make a cozy heating pad from a soft toy. Today, we share a whole series of winter life hacks and tricks that won't let you freeze, but will make this winter bright and interesting. Open sesame! But the lock's mechanism is cold and doesn't want to let you inside. For a situation like this, it would be good to carry a lighter with you. Heat the key over the fire. Now insert it into the keyhole. The lock thaws and the door opens. Finally! It's so warm and cozy at home. In order not to make a mess of your winter shoes in the hallway, try using our next life hack. You will need 2 empty Pringles cans. We put them in the boot tops. Zip up. Done! The boot stand at attention and the tops won't get worn out. Woolen things don't stay in shape after being worn for a while. Sooner or later, they form these small, nasty pills. We will get rid of them with the help of the blade from a box cutter and a comb. Use a hot glue gun to attach the blade to the teeth of the comb. Turn the comb blade down and comb through the clothes. The sharp blade cuts off the pills easily. And the sweater is as good as new again. Hands suffer the most from cold. The skin becomes dry and irritated and may even begin to itch. If there is no lotion nearby, lip balm can come to the rescue. Squeeze out some lip balm. Rub it into your skin. The balm's formula restores the dry skin and your hands regain their former softness. This old rubber hot water bottle has long lost its good looks and you don't want to hug it anymore. There is one simple life hack. You need an old stuffed toy. Cut the back seam. Take out part of the stuffing. Insert the hot water bottle, making sure the neck is up. Stitch the fabric. Close the main cut with a piece of Velcro. Fill the hot water bottle with boiling water. Close the lid tightly. Fasten the Velcro. I'm so cold, and there is no one to warm me. How about a cat with a warm belly? Wow, it really warms you up. At moments like these, you begin to understand cats. Once you're warm, you immediately want to purr. Is a dangerous draft blowing in your house? The last thing I need is to catch a cold. We have to fix it as soon as possible. You need cardboard tubes from paper towels. Glue them in pairs. Use masking tape. Next, you need some old nylon pantyhose. Crop the leg. Place the tubes inside. Secure the edges with knots. Push the craft under a door. Now, no draft can scare you anymore. Sitting by the warmest radiator and still shaking from cold? I wonder where all the warm air goes. For this life hack, you need a roll of tin foil. Get a piece of the length you want. Cut it off. Fasten the edge of the foil on the windowsill, placing it between the wall and the space heater. The surface of the foil reflects the warm air instead of letting it heat the cold wall. -1 to energy loss and add a couple of degrees to the temperature in the room. That's more like it! In winter, it is very easy not only to freeze, but also to get sick. To prevent catching a cold, you need a cozy glass for mulled wine and raspberry jam. Put a spoonful of jam in the glass. Fill it with boiling water. Stir it. Add some whole raspberries. Take an orange and a lemon. Cut them into rings. Put orange and lemon slices in the drink. Decorate the glass with a lemon slice to make it brighter. A useful vitamin drink is ready. Eat a lot of fruits and don't catch a cold. many times have you dropped your phone just because it slipped out of your glove? Fortunately, the fall didn't end up with a broken screen. Our next life hack is to protect your phone from falls and injuries. You need an elastic band and some Velcro. Turn your pocket inside out and sew the edge of the elastic band to the lining. Sew the Velcro to the elastic band. Remove the case from the phone. Fasten the second part of the Velcro to it using a hot glue gun. Your winter insurance is ready! If you want, you can detach the phone from its protection and use it as usual. Even if you accidentally drop it from your hand, nothing will happen to it. A harness made of elastic bands will keep it in the air, and it will remain safe and sound. For another winter life hack, you will need a hoop and a piece of thin foam rubber. With the help of a hot glue gun, fasten the foam rubber on the plastic hoop. Take a golden lace and decorate the soft foam layer. Next, you need fabric with color-changing sequins. Cut out 2 circles from it. Pull the edge of the fabric on the needle. Fill it with polyester stuffing and tighten the thread. Do the same with the second round of cloth. Fasten shiny ears on the hoop. Use hot glue. Soft headphones are ready! They do not only warm your ears, but also beautifully shimmer in the sun. So amazing! Let's tell you what can be made of an old sweater. Cut off the sleeves. Outline the palms of your hand, placing it in this position. Cut it out. Sew the edges. Turn it inside out and decorate with a bead. The result is very cute mittens. Looks pretty stylish and romantic. You can also warm your hands with an old scarf. And it's very simple. All you need is just a thread and a needle. Hem the edges by hand. A scarf with cozy pockets is ready. Now the scarf will warm not only your neck, but also your frozen hands. Soft and warm! The main participant of the next life hack is a tasty and ripe banana. Peel it. You can eat the flesh. We will just use the banana peel. Cut off a piece of peel with scissors. Rub it on your leather shoes. Your shoes have become shiny and look almost new, all thanks to organic banana polishing. And for the next life hack, you need cling film. Cut off a piece of film of the size you need. Wrap a boot in it. The film sticks and keeps on the shoe, like a second skin. If it's raining outside, you don't have to get your shoes dirty. Puddles and slush are no longer an issue because we have some fashionable anti-dirt protection. After you arrive at your destination, remove the film from the boots. Voila! The shoes are as clean as ever. For the next life hack, you will need a piece of foiled insulation and felt. Use wide double-sided tape. Fasten the tape strips to the insulation. Glue the felt. Outline your foot on the insulation. Cut it out along the outline. Make an insole for the other foot too. Insert the insoles from insulation in your shoes. Your legs can stop fearing the cold now. How can you fight with dirt in the hallway? In winter, a whole Atlantic puddle flows from shoes. You need an ordinary plastic tray. Fill it with pebbles of medium size. Put the tray dryer at the doorway and step over the threshold onto the stones. Leave the shoes on the stones until they are dry. And the floor stays clean and dry. Did you like our life hacks for escaping the cold? Write in the comments under the video which one you will try this winter. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell so you don't miss the most incredible life hacks from Troom Select.